Oracle Container Cloud Service enables you to manage your enterprise-scale Docker environment with an easy-to-use interface and useful tools that support the deployment and monitoring of containerized services and application stacks. You can also use it to pull and run Oracle images available on the Docker store. Carry on watching to find out how to pull an Oracle WebLogic server image, run it as a container, and then launch the WLS admin console. Sign in to the container console using the credentials you've received from your administrator. Go to the registries page, click New Registry to create a new registry definition for the Docker store. Specify index.docker.io/store as the URL of the Docker store. Then specify your Docker username and password that Oracle Container Cloud Service will use to log into the Docker store, and give the new registry definition a meaningful description. You can confirm the connection details by clicking the Validate button. Save the new registry definition. Now create a new service for the WLS image that you're going to pull from the Docker store. Go to the Services page, click New Service, and give the service a name. Other properties have intelligent defaults, so you don't have to change them, but you do need to know the Docker run command to use. You can get that from information about the WLS image in the Docker store. Open a new browser tab and go to store.docker.com. In the Find box, search for Oracle WebLogic Server and select it. On the WLS page, click the Get Content button, select the checkbox to agree to the terms of service, and click the Get Content button again. The command to run the WLS container is shown in the description. Copy the one that explicitly specifies the host port as 7001. Go back to the Container Console Service Editor, display the Docker Run tab, and paste in the run command you just copied. Save the new service. To deploy the WLS image as a running container, go to the Services page and click the Deploy button beside the service's name. Accept the default deployment options in the Deploy dialog and click Deploy. The Deployments page shows Oracle Container Cloud Service pulling the image from the Docker store and then deploying and running it as a Docker container. WLS is now running. To log into the WLS admin console, you need to know the IP address of the VM it's running on. To find that out, click on the hostname shown on the Deployments page. On the host page, copy the public IP address. Open a new browser tab, paste in the IP address, add 7001 as the port number, and append /console to the URL. You now see the WLS admin console login page. To log in, you need the username and password that were specified when the container was started. You can find those in the container's log file. Go back to the container console. On the host page, click the name of the WLS container to display the containers page. Click the View Logs button to see the container's log file. In the log file, you can see that WebLogic was specified as the username, and an alphanumeric string was specified as the password. For convenience, copy the password. Go back to the WLS admin console. In the username field, type WebLogic. Paste the alphanumeric string you copied into the password field. Click Login to display the WLS admin console, from which you can administer the WLS server processes. Having successfully deployed WLS as a Docker container using Oracle Container Cloud Service, you can continue to manage and monitor the container's deployment using the Container Console.